Welcome to today's What I Ate Today.
Let me just say, I'm a mess right now, so.
Okay, excellent. Love that. Love that for you.
I have a Halloween hangover. And
I didn't even
because I was drinking.
Yeah, this is 2 days after Halloween, by the way. I didn't even realize that yesterday was World Vegan Day.
I know.
Until it was too late. Oh well.
We really blew it.
Every day's World Vegan Day for us.
I mean, coming up in February, what is it, like 6 years from now? Is it 6
I think
or 5?
for you it's 6, because I think
6.
this next April is my 5th year.
Right, and how many vegetarian?
Like 11? It's gonna
11?
be 12.
11, 12?
I think it's gonna be 12 in September.
Right, so we're going on 12.
Yeah.
We're already at 11.
Woo!
Yeah, I feel like, I hope that's made a lot of difference in the world.
I hope so.
You know? I hope that's made a lot of
I mean, it's made me feel a lot better.
Well, yeah, for sure. Oh, the puppies are so excited.
Oh.
They said, let's run!
Well, anyway, we're going to take you through what we're eating today. And this is by no means what you should eat as a vegan. This is just what we happen to be eating today.
If you're just curious to what a bunch of old vegans eat, well, not so old and old.
Come on.
I'm having toast for breakfast. This is sourdough toast. I have felt in the last week or so that gluten may be bothering me again. So I usually don't have a problem with sourdough for some reason because of, I don't know why. But they say that sourdough is better for you if you've got, like, not celiac, if you've got an intolerance to gluten. A gluten allergy, celiac, is very different from a gluten intolerance. One is like your stomach, but the other one is like you get a reaction from it, like that's different. You get like an allergic reaction. But I'm just having this with some country clock plant butter. Do I speak well today? No, because I'm a mess.
Country crock plant butter. That is hard to say.
It is very hard to say. Country crock plant butter.
There you go.
What are you having?
Well, I'm not having like my full breakfast yet. Right now I'm just having this Orgain protein snack bar. If it wants to focus ever. Okay, there we go. Chocolate chip cookie dough.
That's like your favorite morning bar.
Yeah, well, actually my favorite is Made Good, but we don't have that right now.
Yeah, we're
I don't usually have like something this intense first thing in the morning, but we don't have Made Goods right now. I just want a little something before I exercise, and then I'm gonna have like a more full breakfast after that. But
I was getting at you started buying these more because they were better for your reflux, or
yeah, these are
less sugar.
Well, I feel like these are better than say like a Cliff Bar for something like this, like.
They have a lot of sugar in the Cliff Bars.
Yeah.
Not to say that they don't have their place. I mean,
No, there's definitely times where you want a Cliff Bar.
Yeah. But just in the morning, you don't really need all that sugar because you're not exactly like, you know.
Yeah. So, whatever. I just made a really short story long, but...
It's blanket dress weather.
It is what it is.
I'm wearing my blanket dress because it's freaking cold today.
It is cold.
Oh my goodness.
We'll be back. Okay guys, I just finished my workout. That's why I look so gross. And just kidding, I always look like this. Now I'm gonna make my oatmeal, and I just wanted to walk you guys through how I do it because there's so many different ways you can do oatmeal, but this is definitely like, stop making faces, Dad. This is like one of the easiest ways. I feel like this is like the lazy girl's way of doing oatmeal. So I have my half cup of rolled oats here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of almond milk. I like mine kind of dry, so I don't put too much of the almond milk. And now I'm just gonna microwave this for 1 minute and 50 seconds, and then we'll check back in. Okay, it's out. Here you can see it looks pretty dry. Like I said, I like it kind of gluey almost. So now I don't add like a ton of stuff to my oatmeal. I know a lot of people like to put like cinnamon and like nuts and like all this stuff. I keep it really simple. I just put like this much peanut butter. I don't know what that is. Maybe like a tablespoon and a half of peanut butter.
I would call that a heaping teaspoon.
A teaspoon?
Is that not a teaspoon?
Yeah, but like a teaspoon that you eat with is not the same as like a measuring teaspoon, right?
I don't know.
That would be a lot different, but I don't know. But I just kind of mix that in as it's melting. I just love the peanut butter with the oatmeal. My GERD does not always love that. So I've been taking apple cider vinegar, I guess you could call it a capsule, whenever I've been having issues. I've been trying to stay away from the Tums unless it's like an absolute emergency. I just feel like the apple cider vinegar is a better, more natural choice for me. So I mix all that in, and then I'm going to rinse off some blueberries, and I just do like a nice heaping handful of blueberries as well, and put that on top. And I also give a few to Bowie because he loves blueberries. Yes, you sweet boy.
Yes, he's very excited.
He's a little tired right now, but he loves blueberries. And that's the Lazy Girl oatmeal. Ooh, enjoy.
All right, I've got some snacks on the go here. We just came out of Sam's Club, and all I had today was toast. So what am I having? Some pita chips. And then when I get home, I'm gonna have some lunch, but I'm starving right now. Bowie said it's lunchtime, it's lunchtime. What are we having? Oh. He already had his.
Yeah, he had his chewy for today.
So it looks like you're having a half of a vegan crunch wrap.
Yes, and we actually have a recipe up for that.
Yeah.
You can see how we make it.
I did it a little bit different this time though. I didn't do the yellow sauce. I just put a slice of, I can't remember what kind of cheese that, I think it was Follow Your Heart. American cheese.
Well, it's delicious.
Well, thank you. I'm having the other half. With
We'll talk about what else is in there, just real quick. Give us a rundown.
In the crunch wrap?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got a flour tortilla, you got one of those crunchy tostadas, you got seasoned rice with lime, you got our proprietary taco mixture with Beyond Meat and
Delicious.
kidney beans, pinto beans, refried beans, salsa, and lime, and lettuce, what else is in there? Scallion, and a little bit of coconut sour cream.
It's a real party.
Party in your mouth.
Woo! I'm having mine with Asian chopped salad kit.
All right, well, I'm having mine with broccoli left over, a little bit of french fries left over, and some of the salad left over from Halloween night.
This is my favorite dressing right now.
Okay, this is not my favorite, but I like it a lot. The sesame dipping sauce, I guess it's got like tahini in there and a little bit of sugar and a lot of sugar and it's unfortunate, but it tastes really good. Right? Don't worry, you're gonna get a french fry, buddy.
Aww.
And Miss? They're always hanging around. They always want a little scrap of something. That's our fault.
Yeah. We messed that up.
We did mess that up, but we only give them the tiniest amount. Tiny. Teeny. So that is lunch. Sean's having a little bit of leftover chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Vegan.
Of course. Time for a snack. I'm going to have the devil. Stacy's peanut chips. These are so freaking good. Oh my god. They are a treat. We don't have them very often, and I'm gonna have them with my favorite hummus flavor, caramelized onion. So delicious. I'm gonna try not to make a meal out of it because we're not that far off from dinner time, so I need to control myself here.
So it's dinner time, and here it is in all of its glory. I was kind of gonna have you guys cook along with me, but my husband was taking a nap, and Maddie's talking to her boyfriend, and I really didn't want to have to juggle the camera, so maybe this will be an upcoming recipe video. I'm not sure yet, but this is adapted from a Will Young video. It's his recipe was for chili spicy chili peanut noodles. So mine are non-spicy. Chili peanut noodles. So it's got tofu in there. It's got mushrooms, scallions, corn, some garlic and ginger, of course, some soy sauce, some udon noodles, some of his chili oil, which I made non-spicy, because he recommends using 4 tablespoons of gochujang. It's chili powder, Korean chili powder. So I only use 1 tablespoon in mine, and I used the same amount of Szechuan peppercorns, but and I didn't have sesame seeds to put in there. So it's just, not that sesame seeds are spicy, but it's just not as spicy as his recipe was. So yeah, and tofu, of course. So Mark has already put his stamp of approval on it. But that's what we're having today. Something a little bit different. I've never made this before. And this one is for Sean. I'm going to make my own in a minute. Here you go, bud. What do you say?
Thanks.
Okay. So that's what we're having for dinner today. Something new.
Like dessert.
Oh, yeah.
We are having some beautiful chocolate cake that Mom made for Halloween the other night.
This is my mom's favorite cake recipe.
It is really, really good. Very, very delicious.
And it's vegan.
Yeah, and underneath we have hidden vegan paydays, baby. They're so good. It's one of my all-time favorite vegan recipes.
I forgot to mention before that I know.
What's the matter, sir?
There was
Hi.
peanut butter in the noodles.
Yes.
Hence the title, Spicy Peanut Noodles.
Mhm. They were delicious, by the way. I love that sauce. Right, Lily? Oh.
They were actually nice and creamy, garlicky.
Yeah. Delish. We'll definitely have to have that again.
All right, let's have dessert.
All right, so that is
that
our
it?
day
Oh, yeah.
of food. So we hope you guys enjoyed watching. We had a lot of fun eating it.
Yeah, we did. That's for sure.
Yes. Now we have a new season of Below Deck to watch with fresh crew, except for Captain Lee and Eddie.
Oh, Eddie.
Yeah.
Eddie.
I miss
All right.
Kate.
That's all we ate. And I hope you check out some other videos that are not what we ate. We'll be having more recipe videos coming up, so I hope you subscribe. We've got dogs drinking every single video. And until next time, much love.